Hi everyone! So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make one of these. It's a paper popper. They're so much fun. Okay, let's get started. Start with a rectangle piece of paper. Fold in half, side to side. Press down the crease and score along the edge with your fingernail. Open up. Then fold in half lengthways by carefully lining up the sides. Press down the crease and score along the edge with your fingernail. Open up. Then bring the top corner to the horizontal center line like so. Press down on the crease. Turn the piece of paper anti-clockwise and bring the next corner to meet that same center line, which is now vertical. Press down. Then turn the paper around and do exactly the same to the other two corners, mirroring what you have just done. Now fold the piece in half lengthways along that center line you made earlier. Those triangles are on the inside. Then turn the piece over. Then bring the bottom edge of the right side to the center line like so. Carefully line up the edges. Do the same to the opposite side. Turn the piece over and fold in half along the center line by bringing the right side to the left side. Now hold on to the tip of the popper like so. There is a flap that will pop out. See? This one here. Let's tuck it back in. Then to make it pop, hold it like shown. Just raise it above your head and swing your arm down suddenly, and as you can see, the flap then pops out to make the noise. You can then tuck it back in and repeat as many times as you like. Have fun! Hi everyone! So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make and play the Penguin Skittles game. So for this activity, you will need a pair of scissors, a black pen, a pencil, and some sticky tape. You'll also need to collect some cardboard tubes. I've collected 6, so that will make 6 penguins. You also need some glue, so you can either use a glue stick or some PVA glue. But if you use the PVA, you also need a brush or some kind of glue spreader and a container to put the glue in. So for example, I've just used this old yogurt pot here as my glue container. You also need some paint, and some kind of palette would be useful, and of course you need a paintbrush. I know I definitely need black paint because I want to paint my penguins black, but you can paint your penguins whatever colours you like. You will also need some scrap paper, so I've got some white paper to make the eyes and the tummy, and also some orange paper for the beaks, but you can use whatever colours you like. You also need a small ball, so I'm just using this tennis ball here, which rolls really nicely. So firstly, decide what colour penguins you want. I'm going to make black penguins, so I'm going to paint all of this cardboard tube black. It's so easy to make the eyes, you just have to draw 2 small circles. And then cut them out. Then use the scrap paper to make the tummy and the beak of the penguin. It's so easy to draw the tummy of the penguins. All you need to do is to draw a line, another line, another line, And then you're just going to join the top with a curve. And that's it complete. And then now all you need to do is to get some scissors and cut that out. So to do the beak, it's really easy. All you need to do is you need to draw a line, another line, and then curve the bottom, and then join up the top with a straight line. Super! And then all you need to do is get a pair of scissors and cut that out. So once you have your beak shape, all you need to do is fold across the straight end, like so. And then this side is where you put the glue to stick this to your penguin later on. Now that you've covered the cardboard tube all black, it's then time to glue on all the different parts. You can use either PVA or a glue stick for this next part. Then we stick on the tummy that we drew and cut out from earlier. And then the eyes. And then the beak. Then using the pen, you can draw the black dots in the eyes. Hooray! We've now made a penguin.
I think he looks great, really cute. Now, I think we need to make 5 more friends for him.
So now we just have to make 5 more in exactly the same way. Now we can play the penguin Skittles game. Simply arrange the penguins in a triangle. So I've done 3 at the back, 2 in the middle, and 1 at the front. And then you're going to roll the ball along the floor to try and knock over as many as you can. Hooray!
So it's up to you to decide what the rules of the game are. Have fun playing!